This video, I'll be teaching you guys how to solve linear equations. There are 5 steps in solving linear equations. The first step is to identify your variables. And variables are your lowercase letters. They are usually any letter in the alphabet that you choose. But a lot of books either use X, Y, or N. But everyone most commonly uses X. Step 2. You need to combine your like terms. Now, when I say like terms, I mean they have to be exactly the same. So, 2x plus 10x, you can combine those to make 12x. But you cannot do 2x plus 10 because these are not the same. Step 3. Isolate your variable. So once you combine like terms, you need to get everything onto the other side. So for your end result should look something like this. So after you combine all your terms on this side, you need to do this to get rid of it. So you have just this. Your fourth step is to get rid of your leading coefficient with your variable. Now, this would be your leading coefficient. So if we did the 2x equals 10, to get rid of this, you would have to divide it to get x equals 5. This would how you get rid of your variable to get it all by itself. And that's our goal here today. Now we need to make sure we check our answers. Because sometimes you can do sometimes you might mess up, and checking your answers can help you see where you made your mistake. So, like we did in here, 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10, so 10 equals 10. This checks out. So I'm going to do a couple examples. So first example we're going to do is 2x plus 15 equals 30. Our leading coefficient with our variable is 2x. And now we're going to combine like terms. Since nothing on this side we can combine, we don't have to do that step. Now we just need to isolate our 2x. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. So 2x will equal to 15. Now, next step is to get rid of this leading coefficient with x. So now we're going to divide by 2. So x will equal 15 over 2. In most cases, people would like to do decimals, but I just like leaving them as a fraction. So, checking this, we're going to do 2 times 15 over 2 plus 15 equals 30. This cancels out, so now we have left 15 plus 15 equals 30. 15 plus 15 equals 30 equals 30. So this checks out. So that is correct. Now, we're going to do 10x plus 20 equals 5x plus 15. Now, for this, we have 2 variables and 2 non-with variables. So, we are combining 2 steps. So, I want my coefficients on one side, my variables with one side, and my non-variables on the other. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to subtract the lower number. So, I'm going to do 5x minus 5x to get 5x plus 20 equals 15. Since I picked my variable on this side, I need to get rid of this 20. So I'm going to do 20 minus 20 on each side. So now I have 5x equals negative 5. Now I need to get rid of my leading coefficient. So now I need to do divide by 5. So x will equal negative 1. now I'm going to check. So 10 times negative 1 plus 20 equals 5 times negative 1 plus 15. So negative 10 plus 20 equals negative 5 plus 15. Negative 10 plus 20 equals 10. And negative 5 plus 15 equals 10. So that checks out. And that's how you do solving linear equations.